x equals to a into cos t plus log tan of t by 2 and y equals to a sin t. Then find d square y by dx square at x equals to pi by 3. We have been given x equals to a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2. Let's write down that. Then we will try to differentiate, find with respect to t. We'll find out dx by dt. Then also we'll find out dy by dt. dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Once we got the dy by dx, then we'll see how to find out the d square y by dx square. What is dx by dt? A is constant, so it will be out. Cos t derivative is minus sin t plus log of x derivative is 1 by x, so we'll have 1 by tan t by 2. And tan derivative is by chain rule, we have to do tan derivative, that is secant square t by 2. Because tan x derivative is secant square x, and t by 2 we have to do chain rule again, that will be into 1 by 2. Let us simplify that by converting that into sine and cos and see what happens now. We have dx by dt equals to a into minus sin t plus, can we write down that tan t by 2 as sin t by 2 by cos t by 2, and it is 1 by, so it will become cos t by 2 by sin t by 2 into 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. Let us simplify that. 1 cos t by 2 will cancel, and what is left out in denominator is 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Let's write it down. Dx by dt equals to a into minus sin t plus 1 divided by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. But we know 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 is equals to sin t, because sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, and sin x equals to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So this becomes now a into minus sin t plus 1 divided by sin t. Let's take LCM of that. Simplify, we get a into 1 minus sin square t divided by sin t, which is equals to a into cos square t divided by sin t. So we are able to get that dx by dt equals to a into cos square t by sin t. Now let us see what is dy by dt. Now what is y a sin t? So let's find out what is dy by dt. Y equals to a sin t, dy by dt equals to a is constant, so it will come out. We have derivative of sin t, which is equals to cos t. So dy by dt equals to a cos t. Now we have dx by dt equals to a cos square t by sin t, and we have dy by dt equals to a cos t. Let us find out dy by dx by using dy by dx equals to dy by dt plus divided by dx by dt, which is equal to dy by dt is a cos t and dx by dt is a cos square t divided by sin t. So we can write, take sin t to numerator, it will become a cos t into sin t by a cos square t. We can simplify that. We will get sin t by cos t, which is equals to tan t. Now once we got dy by dx equals to tan t, now we have to find out what is d square y by dx square. Now dy by dx is in terms of t, and we need to calculate d square y by dx square. That means we have to differentiate with respect to x. That's why what we will do, we'll write down d square y by dx square equals to d by dx of dy by dx. Then we will change it to d by dt of dy by dx, because we know that dy by dx is in terms of t. So we'll write down d by dt of dy by dx Then we multiply that with the dt by dx. Now you can see d by dt, dt by dx is d by dx. So that's how we separated them so that we can conveniently calculate d square y by dx square. So what we have to do at high level is simply take whatever you got dy by dx in terms of t, differentiate it and multiply with dt by dx. So d square y by dx square equals to d by dt of dy by dx, that is tan t, and multiply that with dt by dx. This is very, very important. D square y by dx square is nothing but dy by dx, that is nothing but which is in terms of t. Differentiate that and multiply with dt by dx. So d by dt of tan t is secant square t, and multiply that with dt by dx, whatever we got earlier. We simplify that, we get secant to the power of t into sin t divided by a. But we have been given that we have to find out d square y by dx square at x equals to pi by 3. So let us substitute x equals to pi by 3 in the answer. Whatever we got secant to the power of t, that is secant to the power of pi by 3 into sin pi by 3 divided by a. Pi by 3 is 60 degrees, and we know secant 60 degrees is 2. So it will become 2 power 4 into root 3 by 2, because sin 60 is root 3 by 2, into 1 by a. Let us simplify that. We will have secant to the power of 4 pi by 3, that is secant to the power of 4 60 degrees, which is equals to 2 to the power of 4 into sin 60 root 3 by 2 into 1 by a. We can simplify that. We get 16 by 2 root 3 into root 3 by a. 2 will go 8 times. So our answer will be 8 root 3 divided by a. So if x equals to a into cos t plus log tan t by 2 and y equals to a sin t, then d square y by dx square equals to, at x equals to pi by 3, is equals to 8 into root 3 divided by a. Now here the only thing we have to understand is, since we are talking about parametric differentiation here, x and y are represented in terms of t. We will calculate what is dx by dt, then we will calculate what is dy by dt. dy by dx equals to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now d square y by dx square is equals to d by dx of dy by dx, but dy by dx is in terms of t. We have to differentiate with respect to t, so we can write down d by dx as d by dt into dt by dx. So what we are end up with now is d by dt of whatever dy by dx we got in terms of t, and multiply that with dt by dx, the value which we got earlier. So the value of d square y by dx square at x equals to pi by 3 is 8 into root 3 divided by a.